Hey everyone, this is Nick from Nasty Nick's Motorsports. Sorry if the audio is a little bit weird in this video. Found only half my microphone, which is a lot like finding nothing, because it doesn't matter if you don't have the other piece. In any case, so what we're going to work on now is that right here we have a Kawasaki X2. This is the same one that I race whenever I go out there. And the most common problem that people have with X2s is that you have some kind of phantom leak. The ski is taking on water, you don't know where, everything looks tight, there's no holes in it. But in any case, it's a very simple fix. See, the problem is, most people online will go ahead and tell you, go right in and go ahead and buy a hood seal. Well, that's not exactly the issue. See, I actually stopped selling hood seals because I found a really cheap, easy solution, and it's almost never the hood seal. It's actually just a small piece of rubber right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and guide you through that and show you how to fix your ski from leaking. First step is just to flip the hood over. Now you're looking for the part where the hood contacts the hole, which is just this right here. Now what happens is this little rubber square will get worn out and it's gonna have this effect. Now when that's worn out, every time you put your hood latch on, it goes on, right? And it feels like it's doing something, but it's not really doing something. And a lot of times people say, oh, I need new hood latches, because as I'm riding, the hood latch just pops off. It's not popping off. It's actually the same issue. So the easy fix is, well, really easy. Now, all you need is a piece of rubber, but the best thing is to find yourself some HydroTurf, the peel and stick version. And all you're gonna do is go ahead and cut it into two shapes roughly looking like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now, and I'll show you the process. Pretty straightforward. Just go ahead and cut two new strips out of the material, and right there you can see my old ones which I peeled off to demonstrate this for you. So then go ahead and just take these two pieces and stick them right there where those other ones were. All right, once again the hood is flipped over. Just take your piece, go ahead and peel the adhesive and press it down. Now you don't have to worry about doing too much here, because what you're gonna do is tighten the hole on, and once you do that, it'll pretty much, be ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick that other side on, and I'll toss it on. All right, you can see that both sides are on now, so I'm gonna go ahead and reinstall the hood. Hood's back on, so we're gonna go ahead and do the same, put it on, and now you can really feel that thing snap down. That thing is not gonna come off. Do it again. That thing is way down. Now that's gonna go ahead and solve your clamps coming off. That's also gonna solve any kind of leakage here. 99% of the time, that's gonna fix your issue right there. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. I know the people that sell hood seals are gonna be mad at me, but the fact of the matter is that's gonna solve your issue about 99% of the time. Assuming you don't have some kind of crack or, weird fitting that came loose or something, most of the time when your hole is leaking, that is the issue. That's all you have to do. It's gonna fix your clamps, it's gonna fix the hood. It doesn't seem like it would make that much of a difference, but it totally does. And hope you guys are all doing great. I'm gonna go ahead and get my ski ready to race at Lake Topaz, and sorry for the shininess. It's about 110 degrees here in Arizona, and as you know, it's like a living hell over here. Okay, so hope you are all doing great, and if there's anything else you guys need to see a video on or would like to see, go ahead and put it in the comments, and thank you all for the views.